What are the biggest pros and cons of acrylic kitchen cabinets? Acrylic kitchen cabinets have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their sleek and modern look. These cabinets are made from acrylic material, which is a type of plastic that is durable and long-lasting. Like any material, acrylic cabinets have both pros and cons. Pros of acrylic kitchen cabinets. Aesthetically pleasing, acrylic cabinets are known for their glossy, modern look. They come in a wide variety of colors and can be customized to fit any kitchen design. They also don't fade over time, so the color remains vibrant and beautiful for years. Easy to clean, acrylic is a non-porous material, which means it doesn't absorb moisture or dirt. This makes it incredibly easy to clean and maintain. All you need is a damp cloth and mild soap to wipe away any spills or stains. Durable, acrylic is a strong material that can withstand wear and tear. It doesn't warp or crack like some other materials, and it's resistant to scratches and dents. Resistant to moisture. Because acrylic is non-porous, it's also resistant to moisture. This makes it an ideal material for kitchen cabinets, which are often exposed to water and humidity. Affordable, acrylic cabinets are often less expensive than other materials, such as wood or metal. This makes them a great option for homeowners who want a modern look without breaking the bank. Cons of acrylic kitchen cabinets. Can scratch. While acrylic is durable, it can scratch if not treated properly. You'll want to avoid using abrasive cleaners or scrubbing the surface too hard. If scratches do occur, they can be difficult to repair. Can discolor. Acrylic cabinets can discolor over time, especially if exposed to direct sunlight. This can be a problem if your kitchen receives a lot of natural light. Not heat resistant. Acrylic can melt if exposed to high temperatures. This means you'll want to avoid placing hot pots or pans directly on the surface. Can chip. While acrylic is durable, it's not indestructible. It can chip if hit with a heavy object or exposed to extreme force. Not eco-friendly. Acrylic is a type of plastic, which means it's not an environmentally friendly material. It's not biodegradable, and it can release harmful chemicals when burned. In conclusion, acrylic kitchen cabinets have many benefits, including their modern look, ease of maintenance, and affordability. However, they do have some drawbacks, such as their susceptibility to scratches and discoloration. If you're considering acrylic cabinets for your kitchen, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons carefully and make an informed decision based on your needs and budget. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.